Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to this YouTube channel, FX, and today we're going to be doing a quick review on two pairs, gold and USD card. So stay tuned. Please, if you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe to the channel to get more videos, notifications anytime we drop a video. So this is the daily analysis of gold. I'm looking at gold currently right now. So this is the daily time frame. We'll start from the daily time frame. So before we start, you know how we do it. We get our trend line, and today we're going to be checking on trend line, like trends in trend strategy. So I'm going to pick up my trend line and see the daily buyers of gold. No, this is not a financial advice. You should do your own research and analysis too to conform with my trading strategy. So we got this trend line, as you can see. Expecting gold to drop to this point before heading up. This is what you see on gold. As you can see from the past, you can see gold goes up, gold goes up, down, up, and down. So expecting price to get to this point before moving up. All right, so let's dive in deeper to the 4-hour time frame. Note, we're expecting sales from the market, from gold. We're expecting sales overall. I'm expecting sales, so I'll go to the 4-hour time frame. Four-hour time frame looks very good, as you can see. So we're going to pick up our trend line 2 and cater for the touches, for the first 2 touches first. So either you take the body or you take the wick. They're both accurate. So currently now we have our bullish trend. Now time to have our bearish trend. All right, good. This looks good. So currently we are expecting price to get to this level here. Get to this level. Get to this level before dropping to this point. So all you have to do is to wait for price to get to that level before thinking of selling. So for now, let's go to the 1-hour time frame to see more. There's other buyers, maybe you can see something better. So we can get on that trend line from here. This doesn't look good, so I think gold is not ready at the moment, but based on the strategy I'm using, and very soon I'm going to be dropping a video on how to trade the trends in trend strategy. So if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe to keep in touch with us and get notified anytime we drop a new video, so that the video can be recommended to as many beginners who wants to learn how to trade. So get up for more touches. You can see some rejections here. Market is bouncing off this rejection point here. As you can see, there's so many touches here, here, and here, and here. So expect price to get to this point. You know, this is gold. Gold is very, very volatile, and you don't take random trades. What you have to do is to wait for trades to happen, come to your level before taking the trades. So expecting price to get to this level before we go short down. So for gold traders, you have to be patient and patiently wait for your setup. Expecting sales from this point down, minimum this level. So this is what we feel for gold. So if you have any other buyers, you can drop it in the comment section so that we treat it and discuss better. So if you find this content helpful, please leave a thumbs up and like this video so that it's going to be shared to other people and help us grow. Thank you. And you can increase it to this point. So all you have to do is to wait for gold. I'll be dropping this. I'm going to be dropping the videos, the strategy very soon. Please stay connected and stay tuned. Thank you. Let's check out the other pair. Okay guys, we have USD CAD. We're going to be checking the daily buyers of USD CAD. So before you start on checking the daily buyers of USD CAD, I'll first of all like to go to the 1 month. This is the 1 month time frame and cater for my touches first. So if I don't have the basic background of like the overall market structure of gold from the monthly time frame, I will be able to trade the smaller time frame. So I first cater for my first touch here using the trend line. I use trend line a lot. It's a very, very simple strategy, and I'll be dropping a video on how I trade this strategy for free. So just stay tuned and watch the video to the end and watch how I'm going to analyze USD CAD, my daily buyers on USD CAD, to see if there's going to be a setup available. So you can see this trend line. Okay, this is the monthly time frame, though the bearish trend line doesn't really matter for now because we are on the monthly time frame and price doesn't get to this trend line in no time. So we're going to take time. So we're going to concentrate on the bearish trend, which is this one. So since you cater for the touches, you have the first touch here, second touch, third touch, and fourth touch. I know you guys wondering why I didn't take this touch here. This one is just a fake out. It's not really, doesn't matter. What matters is the most touches. Make sure you cater for the most touches. Anyway, the market is touching most of the time. Those are the important areas you're supposed to focus on. So let's go to the daily time frame to see what the market is doing on daily time frame. You can see. So I'm going to be using a tool called Fibonacci because the market has to, since the market is a bearish market, they're expecting the price of the market to go down like this, to go bearish. We're expecting a bearish market overall. So we're going to be using, so right now you don't know where the market is going to reverse from, but with the help of Fibonacci retracement, we can get the overall turnaround of USD CAD. So we're going to take the trend line from here and drag it down. As you can see, if I draw your Fibonacci tool, you make sure you start from the very beginning of the overall move, from the start to the bottom. You draw it from up to the bottom, from up here to the bottom. So you can see that our 61.8 resistance level is resting on a very strong support and resistance level, as you can see. It's a very, very good place for the market to reverse. Expecting something like this. Okay, so touch this place first before dropping. It kind of looked like a head and shoulder pattern. So we're going to take off the Fibonacci tool. Look like a head and shoulder pattern, as you can see. Let's get the head and shoulder pattern tool to check, to confirm if it's actually true, if it's correct. So this is the head and shoulder tool. Just trying to check to see if it's actually correct. The pattern is possible. The head, and this is the shoulders. So this doesn't really make sense, but this is market. The market cannot be perfect, cannot give you exactly what you want from the market, as it cannot give you the perfect shape like a textbook pattern of the market. But this is just, since the market is a probability market, so then you're expecting the market to retrace back to this level, to this level before going down, before going bearish. So we're going to dive in deep to the 4-hour time frame to see the market structure, to see if we can get a trade today. So we can actually see a very clean trend here. We can actually see a very clean trend. So we'll take off our trend line too. All we do is to identify trends to find out areas whereby we can actually buy or sell the market. As you can see, you have a very good trend here. You can decide to use the wick or the body of the trend. As you can see, I have a very good trend. First of all, we have the first touch. For those who are not understanding the video, I'm going to be adding the touches to make it confirm. Have the first touch. We have the second touch here. I could combine these two together because it's kind of big. They're both together. The second touch here. We cater for frequent touches. That's what we do. So we have the other touch here. And we have the other touches here too. I'm trying to show you how I get my trend line, how I get to draw my trend line. And we have the other ones here. So the market is currently at a very good point now. As you can see, the market is at a very good point here now. So we're expecting the market to actually start buying from here. The market is actually ready for buys, as you can see. To get to this point before we actually look for sales overall from here down to the downside. As you can see, isn't that clean? So this is it, guys. So I'll go to the 1 hour time frame to see the market clearer. You see, market is looking good from here on the 1 hour time frame. Cater for more touches here. Market keep bouncing on a trend line. That shows that the next trend line is going to hold. Cater for more touches on this one here, and this is where we are at the current market level. So if you like, you can take a trade from here, or you dive into the 15-minute time frame to see clearly. Your trade is ready. But based on the way I trade, you guys can see the market is really having a triple bottom here, like triple touches here too. So these are just confluences you will need. Though I don't usually use the 15 minutes time frame all the time, but just in case for the educational purpose of this video. So you can see the market is actually rejecting off this particular support level. It shows that the market is about to go bullish. But note, this is a probability market. It's not 100% sure that market is going to buy from here, but all you have to do is just execute our edge over a long series of trades and you get profitable. So this is buyers on USD CAD. So we're expecting the market to buy up to this point. So you can see this is a 1-to-6 risk to reward ratio. But note, when taking a trade, you have to know your risk to reward, your risk management before taking a trade. And no, this is not a trade signal, but this is just for educational purpose. As you can see, my trade is being taken in the right place inside the demand zone. This is the right place I'm taking the market from. I'm taking a trade off the liquidity. You can see this is the liquidity, and my trade is starting from the trend line down to the up. So guys, let me not go further in explaining to you how I in this particular video. Maybe in the next video and a subsequent video, I'm going to explain deeper risk management and entry levels and so on. Thanks for watching this video, guys, and please be sure to like this video, share and comment, and also subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.